Anglicist is your first stop for all things English related. Whether you're a student, a traveler, a business person, or an officer, we have something in mind for you. We provide lessons and tutorials for beginner and experienced learners. Learn from everywhere. Speak confidently. Write correctly. Listen attentively. Read extensively. Speak otherly. Whether you want to build up your knowledge of language, take your performance to the next level, or overcome a specific obstacle, we have the content and multimedia resources you need.